I want to really start by thanking you for joining us this morning for what I believe is it's more of an information sharing platform, realizing the importance of moving together as we approach our SADC Industrialization Week, which we look forward to, and we hope that it will be a success for our economies as a region. I know this might have been touched on, but I just want to really emphasize that the SADC Industrialization Week itself is our baby as SADC, as the governments of SADC who saw it important and befitting that we continue to discuss around how we industrialize our region, how we grow our economies, so that we create employment, so that we improve the standards of living of our people. So it is an opportunity where the Secretariat then updates member states of the progress that we are making in the implementation of the SADC industrialization strategy and roadmap. So I really hope that as member states, we are going to utilize that opportunity to thoroughly introspect, see if we are on the right track towards achieving the targets that our heads of state set for us, or if there is work to do, how can we continue to increase our collaboration and strengthen our synergies so that we grow our region. I don't know. My less informed view is that SADC as a region is growing slower than other regions within the continent. I could be wrong, I'm saying it's less informed. But I want to take it as a challenge because we will soon be under the African Continental Free Trade Area. And that excellencies will be a competition of industrialized countries. Those who have industrialized will benefit the most. That's why our view and belief is that we need to make full use of the platforms such as the SADC Industrialization Week, make use of even bilateral or multilateral agreements that we have to strengthen cross-border value chains, to come up with also infrastructure projects that benefit the region in general. We cannot continue being a region that is faced with such energy insecurity. We need to look at this because ultimately they have this disproportionate effect on our industry. We need to have stronger rail and road infrastructure networks that will promote trade. So we hope that as you are here, we can prepare for a more successful SADC Industrialization Week, bring our private sector companies, especially those whom we believe have a bigger role to play in strengthening our cross-border value chains or in infrastructure. And as Sekai has highlighted, we think that the investment day, the investment conference, is really the highlight because we hope to bring in multilateral or financing institutions so that we can expose some of these investment opportunities, and hopefully drawing from that, we will be able to see them coming through. And our ultimate objective is to see a SADC region that is growing in terms of manufacturing, that is growing in terms of its ability to export to other regions as well as outside the continent.